So today we have discussed about mathematics RMS class 6th solution, okay, which is held on 19th September. Okay, so let's start. So first question is, number 12 has got how many factors? Factors means 12. This is the 12. How many factors for 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is the correct. See, very simple. X minus 15 is equal to minus 10. So what is the value of x in so and so? So very easy. X minus 15 is equal to minus 10 means x is equals to, by transposing this RHS, what happened? Minus 10 plus 15. Minus 10 plus 15. So 15 minus 10 means 5. X is equal to 5. Next, see, express as mixed fraction 17 by 4. 17 by 4 means when you divide 4 to 17, see, 4 4 the 16. Okay, 1 is remainder. Okay, so 4 1 by 4 is the answer. Next, 30%. Find the amount whose 30% is rupees 6. Find the amount whose 30% is, let the required amount is x. So 30% of x is equal to 6 rupees 6. So 30% of x means, 30% of x means, see, I want one insert one page. 1 minute. 1 minute. See, 30% of x is equal to 6. I got this. So 30% of x means, 30% means 30 by 100 into x is equal to 6. See, this 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So x is equal to how much? By cross multiplying, 10 into 2, 2 into 10, 20. So this is the answer. Right? Answer is rupees 20. See, next question. A man has a field measuring 60 acres. Out of these, total is 60 acres. Out of these, 12 acres have been plowed. 12 acres has been plowed. Okay. Out of 60, 12 acres has been plowed. What part of the field is yet to be plowed? Okay. Total is 60 acres. Out of 60, 12 acres has been plowed. So out of 60, 12 is plowed. That means 1 by 5. Okay. Leftover part is 1 minus 1 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the concept. Right. Next. Move on. Next question. See. Next question is, the speed of a car is 80 km per hour. After 2 hours, it covered 1/4 of the distance to be covered. What is the total distance to be covered? The speed of a car is 80 km per hour. Okay. After 2 hours, it covered 1/4 of the distance to be covered. What is the total distance to be covered? Okay, easy. 156. Okay. See, go for solution. See here, first case, given is speed is how much? 80 km per hour. Okay, and time is given to us 2 hours. Okay, so after what happened? After 2 hours, he has completed 1/4 of distance. This is given to us. So total So we can now let total distance be x. Okay, total distance be x. What is 1/4 distance? 1/4 distance is nothing but x by 4. You got this one? Okay, right? So time is given to us 2 hours. Okay, so speed is equal distance upon time. How much distance? Distance is x by 4 divided by time. Time is 2. So the equation becomes x by 8. Speed is this, but speed is given to us 80 km per hour. So x is equals to 8 is 6400. Okay, 6400. Okay, 6400. This is in meter or kilometer? X by 8 64. 8 is 64, no? Not this is not 0. 8 is 64, 640 kilometer. This. Okay, this one is the answer. Next, write in decimal. It is very easy. It is very easy. See, 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 means 36. Okay, 2 by 10 means 0.2 plus 0.2. Okay, so 36.2. The smallest natural number. The smallest natural number. Smallest natural number is 1. Next, smallest and greatest number formed by the digits. This one. See, smallest and greatest number, no? Asking. Greatest number is 9, 8, 5. Okay, 5. After 5, 2 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Next, smallest number is 2, 0, 2, 0, 5, 8, 9. So what is our smallest and greatest number formed by the digits? The sum means add 9, 0, 11 and here 9 and here 9 to 11. So 119109. 119109. This is answer. See here, 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. See. Okay, here 1 by 9 plus 1 minute. I am going for solution. See, what is the question is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Let common get common 1 by 9. 1 plus 1 by 9. Here is 1. Here is 1 by 9 is common. 1 by 9 is left, and here is 1, and here is 1 by 9 only left, plus 1 by 9. So the else here 1 by 9, and I am here taking 9 is LCM. Okay, 9 ones are 9 plus 9 ones are 9 and here plus 1. So 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 by 9 9 is 81. Okay, 19 by 1 minute. Here is 1, 9 ones are 9, 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 is equal 20 by 81. This is answer. Okay, so the answer is 20 by 81, this one. Next, sum of all prime numbers between 10 and 25. 10 and 25, sum of the all. The prime numbers are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 23. Okay, only one digit is here in unit plus 3. So this is the answer without any adding. Which relation given below is true? Okay, which relation is given below is true? See, here is option number C is the correct. Why? See, 1 second is equal, 1 second is 1 by 60 of minute, means 60 second is equals to 1 minute now. Okay, so 1 second is equal to how much? 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. So this is the correct one. Understood? Next question. An isosceles triangle has two sides with length x. See, this is one isosceles triangle. This is x and this is x. The third side is half of x, means this is x by 2. Okay, x by 2. This is x. This is x by 2. It is given to us. And what to find? What is its perimeter? Perimeter means x plus x plus x by 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1. See, x plus x plus x by 2. Perimeter means total boundary. X plus, see, suppose by taking LCM 2, here 2x plus 2x 4x, 4x plus c, this one 5x, 5x by 2, 5x by 2 means 5 by 2 means 2 and half 2, 2 1 by 2 x. This is the B1 is the correct answer. B1 is the correct answer. Next, move for next question. Move for next question is, a car travels 10 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 3 liters? Okay, here see, in 1 liter it is travel 10 km. Okay, unitary method. This is unitary method. In 3 liters, how much distance it should be covered? Okay, suppose in 1 liter, this is liter, in 1 liter 10 km is traveling. In 3 liters it will become, more distance should be covered, direct variation. So more by less, the formula will be more by less. More by less means 3 by 1 into individual value means 30. So 30 km is the answer. Next, Jatin reads 200 page book in 10 hours. It is also unitary method. How many hours he will take 320 pages? So see 320 pages, 1 minute, not 320. First condition is 200 pages, read in 10 hours. How many hours he will be take to read 320? More pages, more time means 320 upon 200 into 10 hours. This is more by less. 0 0 gets cancelled, and this 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones the 2 16 the, so 16 hours is the correct answer. Next, 10 kg of sugar cost rupees 250. It is also unitary method. 10 kg sugar cost 250. Find the cost of 15 kg. Okay, so 10 kg sugar 250 rupees. 15 kg sugar how much? So it is also more by less. 15 by 10 into 250 into 250 rupees. This 0 gets cancelled. 25 15s are 25 15s are how much? 15 5s are 75. 7 is carry. Okay, 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 7 37. 375. So 375 is the correct. Find the supplementary angle of 55. Supplementary angle of 55. So 180 minus 55 how much? 180 minus supplementary angle means 180 degrees. 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55. How much? 125 degree. So this one is the correct. Next, the sum of two angles of a triangle is 130 degree. Find the third angle. It is also easy. 180 minus 130. How much? 50 degree. Okay, 50 degree. 50 degree. A1 is the correct. 8 plus 8 divided by 2, this value. Oh, very easy. First we have to division. Okay, 8 plus 8 divided by 2 how much? 4 plus 2. Now calculate. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2 14. This is the answer. What is the greatest common divisor? Greatest common divisor means HCF. HCF of these numbers. So which I can explain now how to calculate the HCF. Page action. Insert page. See. What are the numbers? 54, 36 and 24. See how to. First we have to do. First number is 54. 1 minute. First any two numbers please do HCF. 54 and 36. 36 ones the 36. 14 minus 6 8, and here is 4 18. Okay, again do for HCF. This will become here 18 to the 36. So it is exactly divisible. Remainder is 0. So the 50 HCF of 54 and 36 is 18, right? And next another number is now 18 and 24. 18 ones the 18. 14 minus 8 6, and again 18 is here. Now 6 3 is the 18. So the HCF is 6. Understood? Okay. So where is HCF? Okay, this is the HCF. Next, cost of 6 can of juice is rupees this much. Then the cost of 4 can of juice. It is also unitary. Cost of 6 can of juice. Cost of 6 can of juice is 210. See, 6 can of juice is 210 rupees. So the juice is rupees 210. Then the cost of 4 cans. 4 cans cost is asking. So it is here less. Okay. Less means less by more. This is also less value. So less by more means 4 by 6 into individual value 210. Okay, unitary method. See, 3 2s the 3 7s the 70s. Okay, 2 1s the 35s the 35 4s the how much? 35 2s the 70. 70 into 2 40. 140. Right, this is answer. See, it is 1 plus 1 by 10 means 0.1. 1 minute. This is 1, and 1 by 10 means 0.1. Okay, 1 by 100 means 0.01. Next 1 by 1000 means 0.001. So now add 1, and here is 1, here is 1.1, 1.111, 1.111 is the answer. So write 98 in Roman. Write 98 in Roman. 98 in Roman. This is very easy. Option C. C means century. 100. 100 minus 10, 90. 90 plus 8, 98. This is option. 173. 174. 174. Okay. V shape never has parallel sides. Okay. This is parallel sides. Triangle. Triangle has no this is the triangle. Not possible parallel sides. Rhombus is parallel, rectangle and octagon. But in this question, this is the correct one. D1 is the correct answer. Triangle has no parallel sides. Okay. This is the correct one. Alright. Got this? Okay. What is the complementary angle of 60 degree? What is the complementary angle of 60 degree? Complementary angle means 90 degree. 90 degree means 60 plus 30, 90. So this is the answer. 5 by 4 is equals to 5 by 4 is equals to 5 by 4 is equals to where is 5 by 4? Okay, 5 by 4 into 100. 4 ones the 4, 25 the 25 5 the 125, 125%. Very easy. Next, the sum of the smallest even and smallest odd numbers. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, even number is 2 and odd number is 1, so sum is 3. 3 means option number C, a prime number. The HCF of 24 and 36. 36, 24, 24 ones are 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, 2 na? Yes, 12. Now again 24. 12 2 is the 24. Remainder 0. So 12 is the HCF. Option D. Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. Okay, minus 10 minus of minus 4. What is the value? Minus 10 minus into minus plus 4. So minus 6 is the answer. Right? Minus 6 is the answer. Got this? Good. Next. 0.045. It's very 0.045 means 0.045 percentage means 45 by how much? 1000 into 100. This is the percentage. This 0 gets cancelled. This 0 gets cancelled. Right? 2 zeros. 45 by 10 means 4.5. Where is 4.5? 4.5%. Next, find the sum of all numbers less than 27 which are divisible by 9. Okay. So now 1 is 9 and 18. 9 and 18. 9 plus 18 how much? 9 plus 18 27. This is the question. Right. Next questions are not appearing here. Okay, move for next. Next questions are, see, here is also you can take common or simplify. 0.1 means 1 by 10. into 1 by point after point is 2 digit na, so 2 zeros is put here, minus 1 by 100 into 1 by 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, right? Now see, what is the common? 1 by 100 is the common, so take common 1 by 100. So here is 1 by 10 minus, and here 1 by 1000. Okay, so what is the value? 1 by 100 is common, and here 1000 is LCM. So 1000 means it 100 minus 1 is 99. So 99 by how many zeros? 3 and 5 zeros. So 99 by 1 lakh, 3 4 5 means 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. 1 2 3 not 1 2 3 4 5 point 0.00019. This is the answer. Find the place value of 7. Place value of 7 means 7 after 1 2 3 4, 7 after 7, 4 zeros put, 1 2 3 4, right? This one is right. See next, rupees 55 dash paisa. This is a silly questions. Rupees 55 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 55 into 100, so 5500. If the divisor is 51, quotient is 16, and remainder is 27, the dividend is, this is the direct, we know na, the divided and remainder theorem. Okay, understood? Okay, can go for solution, or can you, or you go? So what is given question? See, go for solution. Why confusing? Insert page. 1 minute. Okay, see, 25 is divisor, 51 is divide. Okay, so 25, this is a given. 25 2 is the 50, 1 is remainder, 0.0 not going for division, again 1 0, and here is a 25 4 is the 100. So the answer is 2.04. Answer is 2.04. Which question we had? Not for these question. This is no. 1 minute, wrong. Just to, okay, I am solution going for solution for this one, not this one. Go for this. Sorry, extremely sorry. If the divisor is 51, okay, 50, see, you know now formula, this one. Suppose this is the dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. Okay, divisor is equal division, dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So put the values. If the divisor is 51 means divisor is dividend is equal divisor is 51. Okay, like this 51, and quotient is 16. Okay, and remainder is 27, like this. So now calculation is left. 16 1 1 carry, 16 5 is 80, 80 plus 1 81 plus 27, okay, 13, and here is 4, and here is 843. So the answer is 843. This one question solution is, I am now just what I am doing is that this is the solution. 188 2 by 5% of x, 2 by 5% into 240 means see, this is I am doing 2 by 5, what is the question is 2 by 5% of 240, 2 by 5 percentage of 240, okay, means 2 by 5% means 2 by 5 percentage, when the ratio is converted percentage is 100 into 240. 1 minute, not percentage means divided by 100, divided by 100 into 240 means 2 by 5. This means divided means by multiplying 1 by 100 into 240. The 0 gets cancelled, okay, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so it becomes 24 by 25, 24 by 25. This is, and another one is 3 by 5 percentage of 180, 3 by 5, okay, into 1 by 100 into 180. The 0 gets cancelled, and okay, 2 9s are 2 5s are, so 9 3s are 27, 27 by 25. So add 27 by 25 plus 24 by 25. So the 25 upon 27 means 51. 51 by 25 I have already done. Directly I have done. 51 by 25 is 2.04. Right? This is 2.04. What is the sum of prime numbers less than 25? Less than 25. This is becomes 100. Okay, this is becomes 100. I know this one. Why? If you sum 2 3 5, this is a noted one, 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23, this is a sum 100. 5 7, okay, 11 13 and 17 19 23. If you sum, it will becomes 100. Next, how much is 3/4 of one whole day and night? 3/4 of one whole day and night. One whole day of night means 24 hours. 24 hour into 3 by 4. 4 1s the, 4 6 the, 6 3s the, 18 hours. 18 hours. What is 75% of 1 hour? 75% of 1 hour means 75% means 75 by 100 into 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. This 0 gets cancelled. 2 3s the, 2 5s the, 5 1s the, 5 15s the, 15 3s the, 45. 15 3s the 45 minutes. Right? Which one of the following number is divisible by 3? Which number, if we sum 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, this is not divisible. This is not divisible. 6 plus 6 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 23 plus 6 29, this is also not divisible. Okay, and the next number 4875, 4878. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 2 plus 7, 9. Yes, it is divisible. The perimeter of a square is 28 meter. Its area is very easy. It is given to us 4a is equal to 28. So a is equal to how much? 7. And what is asking? Area. What is the area of a square? A square. 7 7 is the 49. This is the answer. Which one is the smallest fraction? Which one is the smallest fraction? Okay. See, 4 by 5 means fraction is 5 here, and here is fraction 5, and here is fraction 3. So it is becomes 1 by 5 na. If we 0 0 cancel, 1 by 5. And see, when comparing the fractions, here is 4 and here is 1, here is 3, here is 2. Which one is the lesser one? This one. So this is the smallest fraction, right? Next, the LCM of these numbers, 2689. The LCM of 2689 is just 72, direct. So anyhow, I am now once again I am go for solution. This one, page action, insert page. 1 minute. Which number LCM? LCM of 2689. Okay. See, first go for 2. 2 ones the 2 3s the 2 4s the 9 kept as it is. Next again go for 2. 2 ones the 3 as it is. 2 2s the 9s the again 2 1s the 3s the 2 1s the 9s the. Next for 3 1s the 3 1s the this is not 3 as it is put. 3 3s the and again 1 1 1 3 1s the, right? So the LCM is 2 2s the 4, 4 2s the 8, 8 3 the 24, 24 3 the 72. So LCM is 72, right? LCM is 72. Where that is? Okay, here. Next, which of the following is a right angle? Right angle, which is a right angle? 90 degrees is a right angle. Okay. The circumference of a circle is 44 centimeters. Circumference means 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given to us 44 centimeter. Okay. So 2 ones the 2, 22 the. Okay, here pi is equal to 22 by 7 na. So 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. This 22 gets cancelled. So r is equal to 7. Find the area of the circle. So r is equal to 7. R means pi r square. Pi r square na area. So 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7. This 7 gets cancelled. 7 to the 14, 1 carry. 7 to the 14, 154. 154. This is the answer. Next, find the difference between the largest and smallest number of 5 digit. Smallest. Okay, this is the difference asking. Find the largest and smallest number of 5 digit. Na? 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. If I subtract 9 minus 0, 9 and 9 9 9 8. This is the answer. 8 4 9s. 8 4 9. This is the answer. Next, 99. A boy runs around the rectangular field of a length 40 meter, breadth and 25 meter. Okay, 40 into 25. How much distance will he run if the takes 4 rounds of that? Very easy. 40 into 25, how much? 25 fours the 100 means 1000. Okay, 25 fours the 100. 1 minute. See, what is the rectangular, what is the area of a rectangular? Not area, not perimeter. 2 times of L plus B. 2 times of L plus B. 2 times of L plus B means 2 times of L plus B. L plus B means 65. I got this. 40 plus 25 means 130. 130 into how many rounds? 4 rounds. 130 into 4 means 130 into 4. 130 into 4. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 3 is 12. 1 carry. 4 ones are 520. This is answer. Next, the even prime number is 2. So, completed the solution of mathematics of class 6 RMS, okay, which is held on 19th September 2021. Okay, if you are liking of my videos, please like and share and subscribe, and more interesting videos we will come back. Okay, thank you for watching once again, and do prepare and do prepare for Sainik School, and RMS notification will be soon, it will become, and as well as RIMC will be the examination, the December term is examination is to be very soon, the which is held in December. Okay, so for all latest updates and any doubts, please please raise your doubts on comment section, so that I can solve and doubts I can solve through a doubt session. Okay, thank you for once again for watching.